I'm gonna show you how to change the country and language in a Ryanair app. So to get started, you have to open your application, which is the Ryanair app. As you can see, the language is in English. Unfortunately, you cannot change the country and language on the application itself, but you can still change the country and language by doing on a web browser. So to do that, you have to press back and open any browser that you like. So for me, I'm going to choose the Google Chrome. And from there, you just have to type ryanair.com. And once you're on the home page, you just have to click on the three dash upper left, and then from there you will see that language and country is in Ireland and English. Just have to click on it, and from there you will see all the language and country, and then you can select whatever you want. So for me, I'm just gonna click on French Morocco. So from there, the homepage now is in different language. So that's how you change language and country on Ryanair app.